Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to delete Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So first you have to launch your Facebook page, and in order for you to delete this one if you find it unnecessary and you don't want to use it anymore, tap on this gear icon here under settings and privacy. You have to scroll down and you have to look for your information and tap on access and control. So tap on access and control right here, and now you will see the activate page, unpublished page, or delete page. And all you have to do here is tap on the third option, which says delete page, as you want to delete your page right here. After that, tap on continue. So here you have to simply tell them the reason why you want to delete your page, but actually this one is optional. You can just proceed without selecting any reason. Now you can download any important files before you delete your page. Once done, tap on continue. And then here what you're going to do next is you have to basically enter the password to make sure that you're the one who's making changes. And you can see here, you can read the following, and once you really want to delete your page, all you have to do is tap on delete page. And basically that's how to delete a Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.